Alright, y'all. It's been a minute. I apologize. I've been busy. I've been lure hunting for fishing because I bought a little tool. Anyways, enough about that. Just enjoying the outdoors. Updates on the birds. I'm gonna let the young birds out. Today is probably their fourth day out, but I'm also gonna fly my some of my old birds just to see some birds flash. So I'm gonna record a little bit of that, record the young birds, and we'll go from there. Hope everybody's doing well. Whew. So that's 6 cockbirds in the one hand on my fly. All right, there they go. Get these guys up. It's a nice, beautiful Wednesday morning. Perfect weather, sun's up, no wind. Let's see, some of these are pretty high up. So these are my old bird team. I got 7 in there. Tree out of the way. One of the cockbirds there, one of my buddies just returning. He's actually done breeding with it, so I just flew it. The performance ain't that well. I overfed these birds. They're kind of fat. They gain a lot of weight, so I'm just flying it just because I want to see some birds fly. These guys ain't going in competition or anything like that. Maybe not soon. I might fly a few of these with the young birds, but that's about it. All right, we'll set the young birds out and fly them and see how that goes too. some of these birds out. Like I mentioned, this would be like their 4th day out. I'm still training on the feed calls and stuff like that. The first 2 days they just hang up on the tree for the whole most of the day. Now I'm controlling their feed. Oh, I forgot the 2 young ones. They're not gonna be able to take out. We'll grab them as soon as these guys come out. I hope the videos go well. This might be a bit far, but and I got the 2 white ones there. That was gifted to me. There we go. Flying around. Now we take the rest of the birds out. They got another area, so. Anyways, yeah, that's a quick update there. Hens are doing pretty well. Their droppings look good. Cockbirds are about the same. Everybody's healing up from breeding. I've been using 4-in-1. What I've been doing is just put 4-in-1 in one of these bottles, and then I'll put in the drinks for the old birds, and then for the young birds, I'll put like a cap of the apple cider vinegar there, and then just mix it up. Oh man, these guys flying everywhere. There they go, first day up. Let's see how that goes. Looking good. So they haven't flown the air yet. They've just been flying up to the tree and back to the kit box. This will be their first day landing on the house. We're actually flying like this, so I hope I don't lose any. As y'all can see, the old birds are already up in the sky, and these are the young birds flying around. There they go, landing on trees again. I mean, they'll get used to it. So what I hate about first time young birds flying is I know 1 or 2 is gonna be reckless, but that's how they learn. So this year I was able to get a lot of birds. A few of my buddies did gift me a few birds too, so I was able to breed out, let's see, about 13 birds, and I was gifted 5 birds the second week I was training them, and then 4 more additional last week. So I have a total of 21 young birds, and like I said, look at these guys flying reckless just everywhere. I hope they don't get lost. But yeah, that's the update. Got these guys. These guys are the newer ones, just hanging around. The 3 young ones, last I bred, or last batch I bred on this side, and then these are the 4 that was additionally added. The rest are all the young birds that were gift first batch. They're flying pretty good. Anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next one. That's just the update.